Hello, my beautiful Pisceans. Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Overall, in general, I'm glad I am blessed to see this day so that I can perform this reading onto y'all. Ashe. I hope all is doing well in your world. I really do. In your soul, in your mind, your body, your heart, your spirit. All that great stuff, because we need balance in everything that we do. Yes, we do. All right. My divine energy, thank you very much for this lovely day, for these beautiful moments. I'm very appreciative of the guidance that I shall receive to do the Pisceans reading. With your assistance, I shall tap in and bring confirmation or anything that they need to know. Some things that they may not know that they need to know into their lives. Yes? Thank you, my angels. Thank you, my originator. Thank you, my universal powers and my intuitional guides. Ashe. All right. Oh, it's come right out, huh? Ready. Thank you. Y'all are ready to receive your messages. Oh, I sure don't, huh? I sure don't. I don't have any music playing. I usually have some background sounds going on. Just didn't come to me today. It's all good. We don't need them. Let's see. What else? Thank you. One more card, please. You look like you could have been it, but nope. Oh gosh. Okay, we got you. We got you. I'm just breathing, y'all. Breathing my way through everything, which is what we all need to do. Okay? Breathe. Okay, let's dive in. Let's dive in. My beautiful Pisceans. What do we have for the beautiful Pisceans? Okay, darlings, you have new journeys coming your way. So what you need to do is tap into your inner divine. Tap into your divineness so that you can know exactly what you need to do when you need to do it. So whatever that could mean anything. It's basically knowing when to say when, knowing when to do something at the divine time. It's like being on point. Like, y'all get it. It's being on point. So just tap into that energy. And the best way for you to do that is to center yourself. Is to just, be by yourself, closed off, and just breathe. Just breathe and let it all flow. Let it all come to you so that you can know how to handle the situations that are about to start rising in your life. Okay, loves? So next I have, oh gosh, I heard cheating. A lot of cheating is going on, and it's not necessarily a romance relationship. It's a situationship. Some of y'all got some situationships going on, and you're pretty into it with your feelings. So you feel like when you give your body to someone and you're giving a piece of your mind to someone, that y'all are in a relationship with a title or without a title. So you would still count that as cheating if this person were to mess with anyone else besides you. So in your mind, in your heart, there is cheating going on. Also in a friendship, you have a friend, a disloyal friend. This person wants you to believe that they really care about you. They don't. And even if they care about you, in a way, they don't care about you as a whole. You care more about this person than this person actually does care about you. And this is for that friendship and a situationship. Some of your friends are messing with your boyfriend. It's just a lot of drama going on. You feel like you can't trust, this certain person that's in your life. And they've come back in your life multiple times. They're just not worthy of you, Pisceans. They're just not worthy of you. You let them in because you have a soft, beautiful heart. And, you really like to be in your emotions because you're a water sign. You're a Pisces. You are the fishes. Okay? This person really just does not deserve to be a part of your life. And you just really need to tap into your divine energy. Okay? Breathe, handle situations with caution, handle them the way that they should be handled, and do your best not to have any anger outbursts. Like, handle things as if they are a professional business. Let's put it like that. Do your best not to have any anger outbursts, because it's just not going to go the way that you want it to go if you do, outburst with anger. Just take notes and handle things the way that they should be handled. And this friend deceives you a lot. They have ill intentions towards you that they don't show, but you already know this. It's like having someone that doesn't really like you, talks crap about you, does ill things behind your back, but when they see you, it's a whole different ball game. Like, they respect you in your face, but they are very disrespectful behind your back, on the side of you, okay, diagonal, horizontal. They are very disrespectful. So you might want to just pay attention to yourself. Pay attention to yourself. And that's going to let this person get cut off anyway. They're going to cut themselves off because you're going to be so paid attention to yourself and loving yourself and figuring out answers to the questions that you've been asking yourself. You're going to be so in depth within you that you're not even going to worry about this person. These people are going to fall away. Pay attention to you. Handle situations when they do arise. But try your best not to outburst with any anger. All right. So next I have the Six of Cups. All right, so you have, like I said, new journeys are rising, and you will have new people coming into your life. Pay attention. Pay attention to the energy that they bring to you. Pay attention to how they talk to you, how they address you, the words that they use. Pay attention to their body behavior, the looks on their face when they're talking to you. Or when they're just simply looking at you. You have people, about 5 people coming in, 5 new souls coming into your life that want to help you. Now, these are angels, angel-like. No, they are not perfect, but these are angel-like beings coming in your life to help you. They care about you and they will care about you. Okay? Be open to these connections. Some of you only have one person coming into your life that's coming to help you. Some of you have 2, 3, 4, and 6 for some of you. Now, they're not going to all come, boom, all in one day. You meet all of these people. It might not work like that. It's possible. It can happen. If you have a very eventful day. Some of these people are going to be reaching out through social media, at a park, a dog park. This person might be playing catch, frisbee, or you might be doing this. A water park, an amusement park, a cookout, a family cookout, friends and family cookout. Just be open, okay? Be open to these connections. They are going to help you through your current situations. One of these people is a guru, okay? Wow. Wow, Pisces. So next I have the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Keeping things real with yourself as you go through the darkness is going to help you reach the light faster. Be real with yourself and do not ignore facts. Do not ignore facts, Pisces. Okay? Keep it real with yourself and do not ignore facts. All right, so next I have Queen of Swords. You are coming to the realization that all embarrassing situations are not bad. Sometimes embarrassing situations have to happen in order for you to grow. Focus on self. Really focus on yourself. Your angels are really stressing this. You have been attracting lower parts of yourself. And what that means is, we have many different energies that make up us, okay? Many different molecules, cells that make up who we are. So you've been attracting the lower parts of you, but you're trying to get out of that. In order to get out of that, you have to stick to yourself and you have to rise above it so that these certain people can fall away, okay? Some will try to hold on, but it's just not going to work. All right, unless they choose to rise as well. So let's go. Let's see. Next, I have the Nine of Cups. Contentment with the blessings that you are receiving. Don't forget to share what it is that you have received with the people that you really love the most. Your family. Now, blessings can come in a form of wisdom, knowledge, materials. Blessings can come in spiritual form. Blessings can come in all different kinds of ways. Don't forget to pour into yourself, and don't forget to pour into those who have poured into you. And even if they haven't poured into you yet, you could spark something that will make them want to pour into you, Pisceans. Okay, you have that touch, you have that magic on people's souls, and you know it, okay, and others know it too. So next I have the Seven of Swords for you. It is not all fun and games, and it is not work, no play. You need to balance your life. Some of you do housekeeping. Find time to relax. Find time to have time to laugh. Find the energy, muster up the energy for you to treat yourself, to have some fun, to watch that movie, to go buy yourself the new outfit you wanted. Just find time to treat yourself. Find time to have fun, to go to that party, to meet new faces, to give yourself opportunities of a new chance. Find that time, loves. All right, so, or find, like I said, it's not all work, play, and work, no play, and play, no work. Also, if you play a lot, find time to balance Your work. You need to focus on your work. Some of you just need to balance. Find a balance so that you can do both, and you can feel whole. You can feel like you're not lacking on anything. Okay, loves. So next I have the Page of Swords. Okay, it is okay to feel empty at times, because that emptiness feeling is going to draw you to seek out fulfillment. And when you're seeking out fulfillment, that is exactly what you're going to get. Now, be clear on what kind of fulfillment it is that you want. The energy that you put out is what you shall receive. Being true to yourself in the matters of the heart is what brings the magicalness from inside of you outside of you. So make sure you're being true to yourself, being true to your heart. Some of you really need to focus on your heart chakra. You just really need to sit in that. And if you need to cry, cry. If you need to rejoice because you're so happy, rejoice. If you're angry, release that anger in healthy ways. Write it down, or jog, or do a workout, or whatever it is. Do it in healthy, creative ways to release that anger if you have anger resting in your heart. Yeah, some of you really need to focus on your heart chakra. All right, so next I have the Five of Wands. All right. Now this is dealing with people. Everything may not turn out exactly the way you want it, but things definitely will turn out exactly the way that they need to be. So being accepting of the things that you can change, and having the grace and the willpower to release the need of control for the things that you cannot change. All right. So next, my Pisceans, I have the Emperor card. All right. Dwelling in your powerful energy is going to help you stir up the pot. You need to always try to be in your powerful energy. You being in this energy is going to always get you the things that you need and the things that you want. Ashe, yes. All right, loves. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Four of Pentacles. Never giving up. Clutch down on your goals and fight for what you believe in. Okay, Pisceans, I don't care what's going on, in your life. Like, I care, but you know what I mean. I don't care what's going on in your life. Your angels don't care what's going on in your life. Your guides, they don't care what's going on in your life. They need for you to fight for what you believe in. You need to fight for what you believe in, because if you do not fight for what you believe in, who's going to do that? You don't know. Maybe no one. It might be generations and generations for the next person that's like you to pop up and want to fight in the same things that you are fighting for, that you once were fighting for. You need to take a hold of yourself, clutch down on your goals, and fight for what it is that you believe in. Keep going. All you need is a little bit of faith, if you keep watering that daily, it's gonna grow. It's gonna grow. It's gonna grow. It's gonna grow. It's going to grow. It's going to grow. Okay? And at the top of the deck, I have the Seven of Wands. Wow. Never again will I fight the enemy. I will fight the enemy of the enemy inside of me. And I will conquer all doubt, and I will receive my blessings by not giving up on my faith. Wow. Now, this is some energy that some of y'all are already in. You're like, okay, I'm done fighting with y'all. I've had enough. Y'all not gonna stop. That's okay. Let me take a different approach. Because y'all gonna stop if I switch things up. They used to you fighting back, and these are physical fights I'm hearing. Some of them are spiritual, okay? Everything is spiritual. But some of these are actually physical fights. All right? In financial warfare, like financial fights, struggles in money. Just try to take a different approach. Write down what is working and write down what is not working. And all the things that are working, kudos. Keep investing your energy into that. And all the things that are not working, trash it. Figure out ways to make them work. Strategize ways to make them work. All right, my lovely Pisces, my Pisceans. I'm grateful that I got to tap into your energy so I could do these readings. Also, I am accepting personal readings. If you would like a personal reading, I have my contact information in my description box. My email, I have all my social media account names in my in my description box, excuse me. So if you would like to have a personal reading done by me, go ahead, contact me, and make sure that when you contact me that you are inquiring about a personal reading so that I can get back with you. It'll be $15 for 15 minutes, and this includes a tarot and or a moonology reading, my darlings. And I also am accepting donations to those who are feeling gracious. All right, loves. Peace out. I will be back next Friday to do your readings.